In this video, I will show you how to buy Bitcoin on eToro. So in order to do this, just go and open up the eToro app or website, and then step number 1 is to go and deposit some money into your eToro account. In order to do this, what you can go and do is click wallet in the bottom right. So here in the wallet section, you will see the eToro money account, and I have the euro right there, but you may have US dollar or a different currency, but just go and click add funds. Now here choose how much you would like to deposit. The minimum is 10 euros, but let's say I would like to do 50. And now you can choose to automatically move these euro funds to your USD account. Now if you want to invest in Bitcoin, that's not necessary, but now just click continue and go and deposit that money. Now if you already have the money deposited, or you have just done it right now, you can go and click discover in the bottom. Now here for me Bitcoin shows up immediately. If for you it doesn't, just search BTC and here select Bitcoin. Now make sure you don't select Bitcoin Cash or any of these other ones, just go and click Bitcoin. Then here you'll see the Bitcoin graph, so go and click trade in the bottom right. Then after you enter how much you would like to buy and confirm the order, you will then have bought it, and in your portfolio in the bottom, right here you will then see what amount you have in Bitcoin. So now you know how to buy Bitcoin on eToro. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.